Disney versus DirecTV. Millions of subscribers caught in the crossfire. A dispute between the Disney and DirecTV has resulted in millions of subscribers losing access to some of the most popular channels like ESPN, ABC, and more. The blackout started on September 1st, came just ahead of the NFL season opener, and has left all the viewers scrambling for alternatives. Disney-owned channels were pulled from the DirecTV's lineup after talks between the both companies had collapsed. On the other hand, Disney says its channels are worth a premium and won't settle for a lowball offer. However, both companies are pointing fingers at each other. DirecTV's been accusing Disney of herding consumers away from TV network onto streaming services such as Hulu and Disney+. Disney says DirecTV is undervaluing its portfolio of channels and programs. This deal, which expired on September 1st, was negotiated earlier in 2019. Such contracts often expire at a time when viewership is at its peak to ensure the deal's being renegotiated. However, these carriage disputes have affected badly the viewership. The blackout last year between the Disney and Charter Spectrum subscribers lasted 12 days, leaving all its viewers without access to their favorite channels. The negotiations would nevertheless go on between the DirecTV and Disney, but it's not sure when this blackout shall be eventually lifted. Meanwhile, subscribers can weigh in and see some alternative options using different streaming services or switch providers.